Alright, I am going to finish up the okay. That's something I just noticed. Anyhow, I'm going to finish up today because I'm not sure what is up with the ET1. I'm pretty sure I just need to put an extension on the needle there so I can get finer adjustment on it. Because, you know, it runs just pleased as punch without a load, but under just the load from the generator even, it's running pretty uneven, and that's all on the needle adjustment for these. So otherwise, the belt stayed on the generator, which is obviously important if we're going to start load testing. And I think that I have that all set up so I can start assembling more load components onto the generator. A meter for voltage and a meter for current, and then we'll be able to start doing some calculations. And like I said, I'm going to have to put longer arms on the needle there, so